after the delete task. Now we're going to create another function. This is going to allow us to work with our array in finding placement. So where things are placed in the array. So function okay, get index. There you go. And list item. List item. Like where something is in the array. What we want is to return array dot from, and we got list container dot children dot index of, and then list item. Great. And semicolon. Good, that's it for that. All right, so now this list container that we're talking about, here is what's going to be in this list container. And this list container, how do I summarize what it's doing? So it is, all right, as I'm writing, I'm going to be thinking about what I want to title that. So let's go list container, add event listener. I got it. All right. Click. Function. Is, and it's, yeah, click function event. Okay. Perfect. Make sure you see I did the function there. The parameter in there is E, which is like event. So let's go if event target dot tag name equals li. If it equals a list item, we're going to create const, a variable of index equals, and now we're doing our get index. Target. Okay. So this is part of our solution of putting everything together. So tasks. Whoops. Checked equals, oh, I should not put an equals right there. Not tasks. Dot checked. Let me write all this in and then I'll explain what each line means. So this first part is allowing us to click an item. And when we click it, it can be checked, like it's going to be checked off the list. This right here is adding the checked styles that we put in the CSS. Okay. And we're going to call saved data right here. Save data, I meant. Good. And then another condition. Let's go else if you can copy this right here, copy, paste, but instead of an li, just an I. And we're going to make 3 variables. Index equals there we go. You can go ahead and copy this. But inside here it's going to change. Dot parent element. All right. And now here, sweet. New task text, creating these variables here. And we want the prompt to say edit the task. Comma, current task text. Good. All right, so now set a condition though inside nesting if new task text, if it's not equal to null, then we're going to call edit task. Boom, boom, and in here, put a comma, false, and semicolon. Great. Let's go ahead. Oh, I said I was going to title this. So, adds checked off check task off list ability is the first part, and then second part edit task. Okay, now we've been calling a save data function. Now let's create it. So save data as JSON string to local storage. So it's going to be function save data, no parameters, and then this will just send, every time we call save data, it'll send it to the local storage dot set item, and this is any of the information in our tasks array, and we're setting it to the JSON dot stringify. Tasks. Good. All right, we're about done here. We're just going to now finish, put everything together in our show tasks function. Show task, no parameter, and let's call our list container dot inner HTML equals semicolon, and so now this is going to push everything that we add in there in a loop to our tasks array. Index almost there. Good job. So let's just go if task is checked, parentheses, and let's go li dot class list dot add checked. There you go. And then let's run our list container dot append child. There you go. Let's run that li semicolon dots add save data. We can call that function there. Curly brace semicolon, and finally let's run show task. Boof! And complete. So now I see I got to take off, put tasks. I should only put task. Task, save that, and then under for each, I forgot I need to run a const, create a variable that ties it all together, equals, let's call our create task list item, parentheses, task dot text, and index. Good. Semicolon, space, and voila. All right, so let me just make that a little smaller so you can see it all. And now we can check it out. Let me refresh, and let's go apples. Let's go carrots. Let's go, gotta get that protein in. Muscle, milk. Let's go ice cream. All right, add. Okay, so ice cream spelled wrong, no problem. We can edit that. Let's go ice cream. Boom. And then let's say in the store, pull up our phone. Got the ice cream. Got the muscle milk. Oh, we actually have carrots. I can delete it. Delete the carrots. I can refresh my page and my edits stay there. Great job. And I can uncheck these if I wanted some more. Boom. Just created your first to-do list app. Way to work. Go sell that on Apple, on the App Store. Good job.